Hello everyone, welcome to this YouTube channel, and today in this video we are going to understand how to delete custom objects in Salesforce. So we will start off this video by discussing how to delete custom object in Salesforce Lightning. Similarly, we will also discuss the deleting process of custom object in Salesforce Classic. So firstly, we will understand how to delete custom object in Salesforce Lightning. Delete is a key used to remove or destroy the written or printed matter. It is also used as a command on a computer that erases the text. Let me show you. So here you can see I open my Salesforce Lightning version, and in this we have deleted the custom object. So far this I firstly move to my gear icon, and this is the gear icon. Click on that, and under this gear icon there are two options. First one is setup and the another one is service setup. Clicking on the setup, after clicking on the setup page is open. Click on the object manager tab, and you can see that the lot of object is created under this object manager tab. Select the one of the custom object that we want to delete. Here we are selecting demo object. Now enter the demo in the quick find box, and you can see that the demo object is shown. There are two methods for deleting the custom object. First one is click on this drop down arrow, and you can see that there are two options, edit and delete. If you are clicking on the delete option, this object is deleted. The other method is clicking on this demo object. You can see the detail page of demo object is open. At the top left corner of the detail page, there is a edit and delete option. Here we want to delete the custom object, so click on the delete option. After clicking on delete, the Salesforce platform display the messages. Read the messages carefully. Then click on the delete button that is present beside the cancel button. After clicking on the button, you can see that the demo custom object is deleted. If you again enter the demo in the quick find box, there is no custom object demo is present in the object manager. So with this, we have successfully learned how to delete the custom object in Salesforce Lightning. Now we will move ahead and learn how to delete custom object in Salesforce Classic. The Salesforce Classic is a traditional user interface and experience that seems straightforward and easy to use. In this graceful time period, it is important to challenge the stride and with advancement of clients. Let me show you how to delete custom object in Salesforce Classic. So here is our Salesforce Lightning version. By default, when you open the Salesforce, it will automatically open the Lightning edition. You have to switch it to Classic. First, for working with the Classic edition, so you have to click on your profile. This is the profile, and here you can see we have an option to switch to Salesforce Classic. Click on it. So you can see that the Salesforce Classic version is open. Now click on the setup. After clicking on the setup, scroll to the bottom of the page. There is a build option, and under the build there is a create option. Click on the drop down arrow of the create, and there is under the create there is an object. Click on the objects. After clicking on the object option, you can see all the objects shown on the custom object page that we created previously. Select one of the objects that you want to delete. Here we are deleting the test object. So there are also two options for deleting this test object. Click on this del button and the test object is deleted. The another method is click on this test object. After selecting this custom test object, the detail page of custom object is at the center of this detail page. You can see there is a two option, edit and delete. Click on the delete icon. After clicking on this icon, the Salesforce platform display the message. Read the message carefully and then select yes, I want to delete the custom object, and then click on the delete option. And you can see that the test custom object is deleted. So with this, we have successfully learned how to delete custom object in Salesforce Classic. So, if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.